how to buy USDT on Gate.io with credit, debit card, bank transfer, and P2P. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to buy crypto on Gate.io using debit and credit card, bank transfer, and P2P. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Gate.io website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here, we have, different payment methods on buying a crypto. It can be a debit and credit card, bank transfer, and P2P, and also we have Express. So I will discuss each buying method, but mostly I will cover only the important ones. So I think the most profitable and easier options between all of this buying method is the Express and also the P2P. So I will discuss them first. So first, let's go to the Express right here. So I will discuss the debit and credit card and bank transfer later because they are easier to discuss. So for now, I'm just going to discuss the P2P and Express because they are connected. So right here on the Express buying method, as you can see, you will directly ask on how much you want to pay in order to buy a crypto that you want. So you can choose any currency, fiat currency you want. So I'm just going to choose my local currency, the PHP. And as you can see, as I input my budget, as you can see, the Gate.io will show me how much cryptocurrency I will get on that. So after that, I can just choose a payment method. It's either e-wallet and, debit card or credit card and bank transfer. This Express is the key. So as you can see, Express also covers the debit and credit card and bank transfer because you can choose, debit and credit card options on a payment method, and that's actually what you will do when you go to the debit and credit card options. And as you can see, if you click buy USD, you will be rightly redirected to the P2P. So now let's discuss the P2P option. So it's also called person to person because in this option, instead of buying cryptos on the Gate.io market or store, this way you will be rightly trading cryptos directly on the Gate.io users or merchants. As you can see, I can, buy USDT on every merchants right here, and they also, comes in different price or different exchange rates, and you can choose whatever it suits you. And also they provide a bunch of payment method, and it can consist a bank transfer method, debit or credit card method, or e-wallet payment method. And yeah, that's it. So as you can see, the P2P and the Express is the most flexible way to buy USDT because they actually consist the bank transfer and debit and credit card options. And as I said, if you use the Express method, as you can see, if you click buy USDT on Express method, you will be rightly redirected to the to certain merchant on the P2P page, and that is where you will buy USDT on a quick way and also less fees compared to the debit and credit card and bank transfer method, because as I show you, as you can see right here on the screen, on debit and credit card payment method, all payment channels have their own exchange rates also, but it's kind of expensive compared to the P2P payment method. And yeah, that's why I recommend you, if you want to buy a USDT on Gate.io, I recommend you to use the Express or P2P payment method. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can buy USDT on Gate.io, and also that's it on this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.